In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram photo bad quality after posting. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your Instagram app. Navigate to profile page. Now click on three bars. Here you're going to find different sections. Scroll down and navigate to this section, your media and app. Under that, you're going to find the option media quality. Click on that. Now toggle on for the option upload at highest quality. Enabling this option allows Instagram to upload your photos at the best possible quality instead of compressing them heavily. Also keep in mind that if the original photo on a phone is already low quality, Instagram won't be able to improve it and the uploaded image will still look bad. So make sure the photo looks good before uploading it to Instagram. If you're still experiencing quality issues after enabling high quality uploads, another thing you want to do is update Instagram. So launch your app store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Lastly, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection while uploading pictures. And that's it. With these, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.